Installing the Ultra-Grip Grapple on your bucket. Simply drive up to the spot where you parked your Ultra-Grip Grapple. As you approach the Ultra-Grip Grapple, slowly roll your bucket over and lower it closely to the ground. Visually line up the Ultra-Grip Grapple's left and right-hand towers to the saddle on your bucket. Move ahead and lower the bucket until the tower's saddle pin is seated in the bucket's saddle. Then slightly raise the boom until the grapple is just off the ground. Shut off the engine and exit the machine. Insert the previously removed T-handle pins and clip pins. They should freely slide right in, but if not, just use the open end of the supplied Ultra-Grip wrench to make slight adjustments on the Acme nut until the T-handle pins slide all the way through. Do this for both towers and saddles. Return to the machine and start it up. Roll the bucket back over and lower perpendicular to the ground. Shut off the engine and exit the machine. Put both parking stands in the stowed position and reconnect your hydraulic hoses. Using the open end of the supplied Ultra-Grip wrench, simply tighten, counterclockwise, the large Acme nut. Do not over-tighten, just snug. Then, using the socket end of the Ultra-Grip wrench, tighten the whiz nuts. Do this for both sides. Your installation of your Ultra-Grip Grapple is now complete.